With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, all the following are unpaired cranial bones of skull in human except. So we have to find out that which of the following bones are not paired, that is unpaired. First we'll start with what is cranium. So cranium or the skull is a skeletal structure of the head that supports the face and protects the brain. So it is mainly divided into, cranium is basically divided into the facial bones and the brain case. And in total, the human skull consists of 22 individual bones. And 21 of these are immobile and the one is united into a single unit. The 22nd bone is mandible or the lower jaw, which is the only movable bone in the skull. In these 22, 21 are immobile and one is mobile. And now if we discuss about all these options one by one, so the occipital bone, the frontal bone and the sphenoid are the parts of the brain case. That is, these three belong to the brain case. Whereas the mandible is only bone in these three options that belong to the facial bone. We'll see all these one by one, first starting with the occipital bone. So the occipital bone is a single bone that forms the posterior skull and the posterior base of the cranial cavity. So occipital bone is a single bone, so that it is unpaired. Coming to the second option, we have mandible. This bone belongs to the facial bone and it represents the lower jaw, and this is also a single bone. As you know, we have only one major lower jaw which is movable and the only movable bone of the skull. So this is also single. Coming to the third option, we have the frontal bone. So the frontal bone is also a single bone that forms the forehead. Single bone that forms the forehead. Now coming to the fourth option, we have sphenoid. So sphenoid bone is a complex bone of the central skull and it serves as a keystone bone, that is, it's joined almost every other bone of the skull, and this occurs in pairs of one left wing and right wing. It has two wings sort of structure and looks like a paired bone. Hence, we have the final answer as all of the following are unpaired cranial bones of the skull in human except the sphenoid.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.